Hello. In this presentation, you see how to use Terraform code to configure an Oracle Linux instance as an HTTP server. This includes a review of the files used to set up variables and their values, the execution of the Terraform code and a quick check of the instance, and a quick look at Terraform state, then destroying the instance. This terminal is connected to an Oracle Linux instance on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. This instance has been configured to enable the OPC user to use the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure API. The presentation titled Introduction to Terraform, Deploying Oracle Linux on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure explains this configuration. The working directory is right under the home directory for the user OPC. The command ls-lrt shows 3 files. The first file to examine with the command less is tfvars.tf. This file includes only variable declarations. There are variables for the provider, scroll, and variables for the instance. Press Q to exit. Next, type less main.tf. This file includes code to specify the OCI provider and authenticate the OPC user to make calls to the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure API. Scroll and check out the OCI core instance block that includes variables for compartment and other required values for the VNIC and Oracle Linux image source. The user data line refers to the configuration shell script. Scroll the screen. The user data Terraform variable is assigned a bash shell script by default. This shell script includes proxy environment variables to be used by the new instance, commands to install the HTTP server and configure the firewall, commands to create an index.html file that includes the hostname and the contents of /etc/oracle release, and commands to enable the HTTPD service and reboot. Press Q to exit. Enter less tfvars.sh. The values assigned to variables in this demonstration are coded in a shell script file and provided to Terraform through the user's environment variables. Each environment variable name is created with the string tf_var_, followed by the Terraform variable name. If you have to collect a variety of Oracle Cloud Infrastructure object names and OCID values in a notes file, it is easy to edit the notes file and convert it into this shell script. This approach also has the advantage of decoupling the Terraform code from particular environments. Values at the top of this file are those required for authentication. The remaining values are required for creating the Oracle Linux instance. Press Q to exit. Enter the command env pipe to grep tf. There is only one matching environment variable, which contains the token UTF. Enter the command source tfvars.sh. Then the command env pipe to grep tf. The values needed by the Terraform scripts are now set in the OPC user environment. Clear the screen and enter the command terraform init. The command completes and Terraform has been initialized. Clear the screen and enter terraform validate. The command completes and the configuration is valid. Clear the screen and enter terraform plan. Immediately there is a prompt for the value instance name. For this demonstration, I left the value unassigned to show that any value that was overlooked will be prompted by Terraform. Typically, this would be resolved by ensuring the shell script of the environment variables was complete before continuing. This value will be prompted in other Terraform commands. Provide a name value such as sm-tf instance. This is the display name that appears on the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure console instance list and instance details page. The command completes and the plan indicates one resource to add. That resource is the Oracle Linux instance. Clear the screen and enter Terraform Apply. Respond to the instance name prompt with sm-tf instance. Enter Yes in response to the prompt asking to perform the actions. Terraform completes after little more than a minute. The message indicates that one resource was added. Enter the command ls, and there is now a file, terraform.tfstate. This file contains the state of the Terraform configuration that was just created. Navigate to the Instance Details page in the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure console. The prompted instance name appears at the top of the page. Notice the internal FQDN for the primary VNIC. The value here is TF instance with all lowercase letters. Copy the IP address, paste and go with the IP address in the browser location bar. The response is the index.html that was created with the shell script given as the user data value. The host name is TF instance, all lowercase, and the /etc/Oracle release file shows the instance was built with Oracle Linux 7.9. Return to the terminal and enter ls-lrt. The terraform.tf state file was created when the Terraform apply command was run. The size of this file is over 6 kilobytes. This file contains a lot of detailed information about the configuration and can easily be searched. Enter the command grep name terraform.tfstate. You can quickly see various name values. All OCIDs are stored in the state file as well. Clear the screen and enter Terraform destroy. Enter the instance name sm-tf instance and then enter yes. The process ends in about a minute and a half and the final message confirms the instance has been destroyed. Clear the screen and enter ls-lrt. The previous state file has been renamed to include .backup and the new state file appears. Use the cat command to display the current state file and see that only basic information about Terraform appears. Return to the console instance details display and see that Terraform has successfully terminated the instance. Terraform also automatically terminates the instance boot volume. Oracle provides an extensive number of resources you can use to learn more about this and related topics. Use the links here to find more content about this video, Terraform, and Oracle Linux on Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. This ends the presentation. Thank you for watching.